Hey guys, Luke here. In today's short video, we're taking a look at this very cute controller from a company called 8BitDo or 8BitDo. This is the 02 in yellow. This is a very, very small Bluetooth controller. It will work with a whole heap of different devices from the Nintendo Switch to your computer, a Mac, Android, iOS, all those different types of things. So let's unbox it, we'll have a look at it, and then I'm going to connect it up to my Switch here and just try it out on some 2D side-scrolling games. So it's a very cute little box. There's nothing much around it. It just tells you all the different devices that it supports in the back here. And then let's get this thing open. Okay, so you can see in the back here we have a small USB Type A to micro USB charging cable, and then we have some instructions on how to set this up. We'll pop that aside. So you can see this is the controller itself. It's very, very tiny, very cute. We've got the D-pad, we've got an A, B, X and Y, and then a select and start button here. And then on the bottom, it gives us some of the different ways to switch to different inputs, and that's pretty much it. Now, the charging is done just up the top here, right next to the R and the L bumpers, and you can see they sound really nice and clicky, and the D-pad is nice and squishy, feels very similar to what you'd find on a typical controller. Buttons feel really good, and start and select feels really good as well. All right, so once you have turned this on, you'll get a little flashing LED down the bottom here, just to show you that it's trying to connect to a device. We also get a little lanyard that you can connect. Actually feels really good, it's nice and stretchy, and you can connect that to the side there if you want to hang this off your bag or some other type of device. So according to the back of this, if we want to connect this to the Switch, we push the Y button and the power button. So let's try that now, and we'll just see if we can get this connected up. All right guys, so that was really simple. I just followed the instructions on the back here, and then it automatically came up in this screen here on the Switch, which allows you to connect different devices. It's got the battery indicator, and it shows me that I'm connected to the first player. So I'm just going to go back now, and we're going to test out a 2D side-scrolling game. So I might just go to... All right, we might check out one of the new Game Boy Advance games on here on the Nintendo Switch Online. I really feel like this is, kind of the essential controller if you want to play those classic 2D side-scrolling games. So let's try out Super Mario. I'm absolutely terrible at this game, but we'll just see how it goes. Okay. All right, so very responsive, super comfortable to hold. Literally feels like I'm playing on a very old school Nintendo controller now, which is awesome. Okay, very responsive, which is good. The left and right feel really good, very clicky actually. And I've probably played this once in my entire life, so don't judge. So guys, I've used this for about 10 minutes now, played some Mario and some other 2D scrolling games. It's a really great little controller, very well made. The buttons are exceptionally good. It's nice and light. The LED light on the back is really good. I love the bright yellow color. It would go really well with the Nintendo Switch in yellow. And I would say this is just a really great accessory for anyone that is into gaming, and you want to get them like a little gift or something like that. If you travel, it would also be a really good option because you could set your Switch up and then play on a plane or on a train or some sort of long distance trip. So all in all, a really great little controller very well made, and I can't wait to keep playing some more old school 2D scrolling games. So I'll leave it there, guys, and I hope you enjoyed this short video, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.